Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic limit data selection from MySQLi database in PHP. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is limit data selection from MySQLi database in PHP. Suppose for an example, I have a table and the record in this. Suppose I am having various rows here. Suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here is the headings of that A, B, C or D. Suppose this is my full table. So I need only the data should be printed 1, 2 and 3. So we will calculate the limit. For the limit data selection, our syntax is that is select star from, after that table name. Suppose my table name is TB or table name. So after that we will put limit. After that I need only 3 numbers to be printed. So I will write here 3 in double quotes and then semicolon. So this is the syntax for using limit data selection from MySQLi database into PHP. So the first 3 lines would be printed on the display screen. So that is 1, 2 and 3. So this is the output which will become after the limit. So now we'll discuss about the example. How to do the limit data selection from MySQLi database in PHP. So it will take PHP tag start and close. In between this, we will first of all make a connection, that is localhost. After that root, then password that is empty. After that table name that is TB. After that we will put this into a variable. Suppose this is a user localhost, that is a server. So that is $server. Next is root, that is our username. So we will write here user. This is our password. So we will write here $pass. After that this is a table name. So we will write here TB or DB, that is a database name. So after that we will join the connection. So we will write here MySQLi connect. In between this we will pass all the variables which are $server. After that $user. After that $password. And after that $db, that is our database. So now we will put into a variable. Suppose my variable name is $con, that is a connection. So after that we will put the syntax of the limit data, that is select start from table name, that is TB. After that put the limit. So I need the limit, that is 3 and then semicolon, and this is should be into double quotes. And now we'll put this into a variable. Suppose my variable name is $SQL. So now we'll join both the variables. So we'll write here MySQLi query. In between this we will join the variables, that is $connection and $SQL, that is $con and $SQL. After that is semicolon. In between this we will write this into a variable. Suppose my variable name is $result. After that the if conditional statement will be there, in which we are asking that MySQLi number of rows, that is num rows. After that the variable, that is $result. Print this until if it is greater than 0. So print the rows. After that we will go to the curly braces. In between this while loop will be there. So in between this we will write here MySQLi fetch associate ASSOC. After that we will pass the variable, that is $result. So after that we'll put this into a variable. Suppose my variable name is $row. So after that curly braces start and over. In between this we will pass the echo to display our row. Suppose I am passing that $row, my variable value should be printed. My variable value is ID and then a semicolon. So after that, else if this is false, then print this statement. In between this I am writing echo. So you should print that error. If this statement is correct, so print the ID, that is number of rows that is on the display screen, that is 1, 2 and 3 because of the 3 number of limits. So if it is an error, so print that error on the display screen like this. So the number of rows will be not be printed. So like this way we can use the limit data selection from the MySQLite database into PHP. So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.